In 2025, in a small New Hampshire garage, a big idea sparked to life. What if we could electrify the everyday machines we already own, starting with the engines that power our lives? We named it Prevoton, a fusion of proton and EV. Because a proton is a positive force and we believe electrification should be one too. At Prevoton, going electric isn't just about the technology. It's about moving forward with purpose. It's about driving change, embracing smarter energy, and helping build a cleaner, more sustainable future. We're starting small, with plug-and-play kits that replace gas engines in things like lawnmowers, riding mowers, and snowblowers. And we're designing them to run on the tool batteries you already own. This is just the beginning. With your support, we'll build, test, and deliver the first wave of Prevoton conversion kits, and lay the groundwork for full EV conversions in the future. Our mission is to make clean electric power more accessible, not just for cars, but for everything with an engine. Cleaner air, quieter neighborhoods, less waste. Prevoton, positive energy, electric future. Support us now on Indiegogo.